Today, we are making something to make you feel deeply cared for. My barbecue bean sausage casserole is frankly a soft, warm blanket for the soul. It's a sort of food that says, relax, you're home now. So come on, let's make some kitchen magic. To begin this delicious journey, take your favourite casserole dish, slice an onion into half moons, nothing too fussy because this is a meal for ease, and fry for about 5 minutes on the stove. And now for the main event. Add 10 of your favourite sausages, plump, lovely little cylinders of pure, unadulterated comfort. Pop them into the dish and fry for about 10 minutes to give them a beautiful burnished blush. And next, our beautiful butternut squash. Scoop out the core and then just chop the soft orange flesh into inviting chunks. And now we're going to throw everything else in, the best kind of cooking. Pour in the butternut squash and a tin of barbecue flavoured baked beans. Ah, that smoky, sweet richness. This is the secret to a really deep, dark sauce. Then a glorious tablespoon of deep red paprika, then crumble in a stock cube. And some seasoning, then some welcoming hot water. Now stir it all together and now everything is in its right place. This is where the magic happens. And now we'll leave it for 1 hour with the lid on and leave time to do its slow, delicious work. And remember to stir frequently. And after an hour, that deep, warming aroma. Have a look at that sauce. If it seems a little too loose, just leave the lid off and let it bubble away for a few more minutes until it's thick and it's clinging to everything with voluptuous intent. Then remove it from the heat and what a masterpiece of effortless indulgence. Serve straight away, heaped into bowls, and because it feels just right, a scattering of freshly chopped coriander. So taste it, close your eyes, because this is what pure joy tastes like. And if you don't want to miss any of our delicious culinary moments together, you might want to subscribe.